What's up, y'all? Philly D's Bizak. As y'all can see, I'm at the little spot, just pulling up. Yeah. Just got finished doing a little quick brake job on this, what is this? 2016 Hyundai Sonata with a 2.4 in it. Yep. Quick brake job on this joint. I'll try to walk around and see the little Sonata. I know these ain't nothing but those Optimas, those Kias. Trash vehicles. They all trash. But yeah, man, you know, not a long day. It was a short day, not a lot of stuff. Finished up a clutch job from yesterday. Had a Nissan, what was that? A Nissan FX 45. Had an issue with the windows, so I had to deal with that. And the sunroof. None of the windows work. Bunch of oil changes. You know what I mean? For the day, as y'all can see. Brand new brakes in there. Brand new rotors and pads. She's shining. I recommended tires, but they ain't want to buy the tires, so what can you do? You know what I mean? But yeah, not much else today. Just a bunch of little stuff, you know. Man, this car messed up though, y'all. God damn. People don't take care of this shit. But yeah, usually when I take a car on a test drive and I got time to, you know, stop and talk a little bit about the cars, whatever car I'm looking at, I usually do that for y'all. You know what I mean? Check some things out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, brakes feel good on this joint. Brake fluid clean, looking good. You know what I mean? Little brake flush on it too, I did. But yeah, that's what we got for right now, y'all. I'm gonna check y'all on the next one.